Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday. I think it's Palm Sunday. Hearing from the peanut gallery, it's Palm Sunday. Last night I did breakfast for dinner. A Mexican-inspired egg scramble. It had a bunch of yummies in it. Oregano, basil, Mexican, of course, and cilantro, and onions, and bell pepper, red bell pepper, and potatoes O'Brien, garlic, and just a great meal. Bacon, and sausage. Yeah, no toast. Who needs toast? Great meal, filling. Pictures are up online. And no recipes. There's no recipes for that. So, tonight, I'm doing pork chops in a honey mustard cream sauce. Let me show you what I got going on here. Got some hardware going on. Got some nice little pork chops, boneless. And a little bit of olive oil, some flour for dredging, kosher salt, black pepper, and of course the cream. I'm using Sierra Nevada's stout stone ground mustard, honey. I had to break into Robin's stash, and some butter and chives. It's actually very simple. It should be yummy. I'm doing cheater scalloped potatoes and a simple can of green beans. Of course, I'll add some salt, pepper, and some butter, and we'll have fun with it. But it's a simple meal. This is the last week of the month, so gotta keep things tight. This week, it's kind of a weird week. Robin's going to be in Oakland on actual business, Monday, tomorrow, and Tuesday, and into Wednesday. Getting confirming. This week's kind of weird. So like I said, I'm doing the pork chops tonight. Either tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm going to do some kind of beef stir fry. Probably has Worcestershire involved. Something I'll just play with it. Probably over rice. I'm going to put together first for 2024 the pea salad that we kind of enjoyed very much last summer. And then, so for when Robin comes home, she'll come home to a classic potato leek soup. And after that, I'm going to do a 5-spice chicken and rice for Thursday. And Friday is a creamy steak fettuccine. And Saturday, I'm doing ribs. Yeah. It's rib season. Stay tuned. So, on this Sunday, it's actually sunny out there. Yeah, playing weatherman. It's sunny out there. Enjoy your day. Enjoy this Sunday. Eat great food and have fun cooking.